It is now time to plant the lettuce in the family plot square foot gardening bed. All right, so what I'm going to do first is move around a little bit of this debris, get it out of the way. There's a little weed seed in here that's trying to grow. I want to get that out. Okay. Just going to move the soil around just a little bit. Lettuce seeds are pretty small, so they don't have to be planted too deep. And this calls for 4 seeds per block. And because these seeds are small, this is what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to put 2 in a hole. We'll come back and thin those out a little later. There. Doesn't have to be too deep. Okay. Right there. Yeah, these are small. Okay. That's 1 and 2. I got 2 right there. Those will go right there. Okay, so I'm just going to slightly cover those. All right. Doesn't take much. Now we're going to move to the next square. All right, good. All right, here we go. Red velvet. I think the other ones were Little Gem. Okay. Because these seeds are small, I'm going to put 2 in a hole. I can get 2 here. Oh, there it goes. That's 2. Ah, there's 2 right there. How about that? It's 1, 2, right there. And this is 3. How about I just put 3 in there? We'll thin those out. Right. Again, not too deep. Just going to cover those up lightly. We'll be sure to get these watered in. Right, they'll be ready to go. Okay? Y'all be good down there now.